Hey, this is Jake with Auto Accessories Garage. I'm here in sunny Las Vegas, Nevada for the SEMA show. Right now we're looking at the LOMAX Stance tonneau cover. This all aluminum tonneau cover sits at a low profile on your truck bed, and a dual latching system. You can open it from either side when you need to open up the bed access, and if you need full and unobstructed bed access, you can fold it all the way up, and each LOMAX Stance comes with a magnetic mounting system. A steel arm will secure it into place. So now you can drive, you can bring your oversized loads, large appliances, stuff like that. And when it's time to cover your payload, you just fold it back down and it securely snaps into place. You can order this tonneau cover with free shipping from AutoAccessoriesGarage.com.